This is Jonah from Typewriter Minutes. We are going to be selling this Brother Deluxe 1350 with Spanish keyboard.
So we've already done a full review of this machine. We'll put a link to it down in the comments. It's had a full cleaning and it is ready to type. You can see it has a full set of Spanish keys. Some typewriters that have Spanish keys have just a few. This has the full set. It has the upside down question mark and exclamation mark. Has the dead key here for the tilde and the umlaut, I think that's called. Got the ñ. So if you're looking for a Spanish international keyboard typewriter that really types well, this is the machine for you. And again, we'll put the full review video link down in the comments, and we'll take a peek at the case here real quick.
Let's take a quick look at the case.
So it has a really nice vinyl leatherette case. One of the nicest Brother cases I've seen, just in really minty condition. The zipper is perfect. And I'll take a quick look at the inside here. Inside just looks totally brandy new. Has original unpacking instructions and a reproduced instruction manual. And the one thing I like about this case is that it expands a little bit. They put a little accordion thing right here. Some of the older Brother cases, you can stick your fingers in and it's so tight you can rip the seams, but this one has lots of room. So really nice case for a really nice machine.
If you are interested in buying this typewriter, you can buy it directly or through the eBay sale.
And we will put a link to the eBay sale down in the comments.
Thank you for joining us in Typewriter Minutes. Be sure to share, link, like, and subscribe. Bye!